Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade ice cream using only this plastic bag. You don't need an ice cream machine or any other tools. It's very simple to do. This is the newest video in my homemade ice cream recipe series, so keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. For this recipe, you don't need an ice cream maker, but you do need a few things. And one of them is a large plastic bag that you can zip up, which is a 1 gallon bag, freezer Ziploc bag. And then you're gonna need a sandwich bag, a smaller bag. They're the two main things you need, but you're also gonna need things like milk, ice, heavy cream, salt, sugar, vanilla, and that's just about it. So let's get right into making this. Very simple. We're going to start with our small bag here. We're going to put all of our ingredients in this little bag. So this is just enough for one person. Start out with a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And just put that in your bag. You're also going to need half of a cup of whole milk. Put that into your bag. And it helps if you get it in the bag and not miss it like I just did a little bit. We'll clean that up in a minute. Then next we have 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, if you want to flavor this with other flavors, you can do so. Any flavor will do. You can put different flavored extract in there, maybe some chocolate. Now, I'm letting a lot of the air out of this bag and then zipping it up. Now, because I made a bit of a mess when I poured in the milk and heavy cream, I'm just cleaning up my plastic bag. Not necessary if you have more accuracy than me. So all of our contents are in this little bag. Make sure it's zipped up really good and tight. We're going to move on to our larger bag. We can put our small bag into our large bag. And we're going to fill this up with ice. Now, depends on how much ice we can get in here, probably 3 to 4 cups. We can get a little more in there too. So this is about 6 cups of ice all together. Next, what we want to do is add in some big chunks of salt, and that salt is going to reduce the temperature of the ice. So you only need maybe 2 tablespoons, and just let a lot of the air out of this bag. Zip it up. Now, find someone who's strong because you need to shake this up for about 5 minutes until that ice cream gets nice and cold. Now, if it's too cold to handle like this, you can wrap it in a dish towel and that will help things. You can make a little dance out of it. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. Now let's check on the ice cream and see if it looks and feels like ice cream. There we go. It's definitely more firm than it was when I put it in there. Now we can open it up and hopefully you can see that. You can see it's just like soft serve ice cream. Just dig right in and eat it. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig in to our homemade ice cream that we made here using only a bag. And let's see how it tastes. That's good. That's really good. That tastes like something you'd have on an ice cream cone. It's really, really good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this ice cream using only this plastic bag. We didn't need an ice cream machine or any other tools. and it was done very quickly. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also check out the other videos in my homemade ice cream recipe series. And as always, I will be putting out a new video in this series every Thursday at 3 p.m. and my regular videos are every Sunday at 2 p.m. So until then, I'll see you next time. And and now what we're gonna do is now this is so keep watching and, I don't wanna do that. So keep watching, darn it. So I hope you, so close. Check out the ones, no, I'm talking too much.